Okay, Abhishek Pandi, you are Hindu,
Yes, yes.
and listen to me. And I'm a Muslim, and in our Islam, relationship is haram. Relationship isn't allowed in our Islam, and live together is more than haram than relationship. So
Okay.
we don't support it. How are you doing?
Mm, I'm doing great. What about you? Thank you for asking.
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. So where are you from?
I'm from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh in India.
Yes.
Okay. So
And you?
yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes, I know.
Okay. So as we meeting first time, can I know a little bit about yourself?
Okay, why not? Why
Oh,
not? Okay, so I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abhishek Pandey, and I come from Madhya Pradesh. And my hometown city is Satna, where I was born and brought up. And if I talk about my qualification, so I completed my graduation in 2022.
okay, that's really nice introduction about yourself. Okay, thank you for your introduction. If I talk about myself, my name is Aminul Islam. I'm from Bangladesh. I'm a student as well as I'm learning speaking English. If you talk about my education qualification, I'm a student of honors first year. My subject is political science, and I'm doing a job, part-time job at a school. Yeah, that's all about me. So as you said you read books. So what types of book do you read usually? English book or any other book?
I read the English book.
Okay. So
Yes.
in this year, how many books have you read?
Mm, I have read I have read two books in this month.
Okay. So do you read book for improving your speaking English?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So can you tell me the book names? Which book do you read in this month?
Scope is the first book in this month,
Okay.
and the
So
second is
okay, can you tell me
yes.
something about? Can you tell me something about your speaking English journey? When did you start to learning this language?
Okay, so okay, I was speaking English last 1 year, but I am not consistent.
Okay, I got it. So usually, which language do you speak at your home, at outside?
Okay, so my native language is Bagheli and Hindi. Do you know Hindi?
Actually, I understand Hindi very well, but I can't speak.
Okay.
Do you know Bangla? Can you speak in Bangla language?
No, no.
So how many languages can you speak?
I usually speak two and three language.
Okay, you know three languages.
Uh,
Okay. Okay, can I know why do you learn English? What's the reason?
Okay, so I'm very fascinated about this language, and I will want to become fluent in this language in a future because you also know English is a very necessary and global language. Learning this language, so I want to become a software developer. So you also know. Hello,
Okay, okay, I
hello,
understand. Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
hello. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
I can hear you. Okay, I understand why do you learning this language. So, in future, you wanna be a software developer. That's why you are learning English. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
Because I have to deal with foreign customers, so they know only English language and they don't know any other language. So that's why I'm learning this language. and
Okay. Okay, I got it.
I love.
Okay. So, are you studying? Are you studying full time, or are you doing any job besides your study?
No, I focus only on my study. I only focus on my study, and I do not any part-time job.
Okay. So,
Okay. Yes, yes. Okay, so I have a one topic. So shall we discuss?
yeah, we can discuss. Which topic you want to discuss?
Okay, so my topic is what do you think about a love marriage versus arranged marriage?
Okay. Actually, now I am in university student. When I was in college, that time actually I liked love marriage, and in love marriage, the two person are very friendly and they know very well with each other. And in
Hmm.
arranged marriage, they don't know with each other very well, and family choose the girl for her son, for his son, for her girl.
Yes.
Yeah, and if I talk about my present opinions, I prefer arranged marriage. So what about you?
Okay, okay. So I would like to introduce and about the difference between love marriage and arranged marriage. So first, in a love marriage, girls and boys choose their life partner, and after deciding and choosing life partner, and they decide to live together. And live together, you also know, like live in relationship. Do you know?
Yeah, I know living relationship.
So they follow live-in relationship in a love marriage, and after living together, and they will decide to marriage. They will decide to get married, and in a arranged marriage, parents and relatives build up relationship between girls and boy, and they don't know very much about her and him.
Yeah, and I want to add something in about love marriage. And in my country, in Bangladesh, in love marriage, live together doesn't allow in my country, and maximum
What?
people
Could you
do this. Yes.
could you repeat again? I
Hello.
didn't catch it.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
I tell you again. In my country, in love marriage, live together doesn't allow, and maximum people don't do this.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe India it's allow.
Yes, yes.
Okay, in my country it doesn't allow.
Indian government to give very freedom for their civilians.
Okay. Okay, Abhishek Pandi, you are Hindu,
Yes, yes.
and listen to me, and I'm a Muslim, and in our Islam, relationship is haram. Relationship isn't allow in our Islam, and live together is more than haram than relationship. So
Okay.
we don't support it.
Because we have to change ourselves day by day in the future.
Yeah, and over the world, it's very common. I know it very well. And every country, maximum people do this. Actually, in this era, maximum relationships, peoples, they before marriage, they do live together. It's very natural and it's very common. And maximum girls or boys do this.
Yeah.
So brother,
And
what about you? Do you support live together before marriage?
yeah.
Okay, you
I
support.
support
Okay. So,
because
okay,
we
brother,
have to change,
will you want to
because
do this in future before
we
your
have to
marriage,
change. What?
brother?
Could you repeat it?
Will you want to do this before your marriage?
Will you want to?
Will you want to live together before your marriage with your future wives?
Yes, I have a chance, so